Right, so here's a set of problems where we have to use a equals side squared or s squared. So let's use that, and we want to calculate the area. So let's do that. For the first one, we have a side of 3.2 centimeters. So let's use our formula. The area is going to equal s squared. So we don't know what the area is, so let's rewrite this. So the area is going to equal s squared. Now we do know what s is. S is the side. We're given the side, which is 3.2 centimeters. So we can write that down, 3.2, and we square it. So what does that mean? It means we multiply 3.2 by 3.2. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the point for now. Okay, and now I'm going to complete the equation. So 2 times 2, that's 4. 2 times 3, that's 6. Second row, 3 times 2, that's 6. 3 times 3, that's 9. Add these guys up. I should have 4, 2, 10. So the answer involves these digits, 1, 0, 2, 4. And I just need to know where to put the decimal place. You'll remember that I had decimal point here, decimal point here. So there's 1, 2 decimal places in the question, 1, 2 decimal places in the answer. So the correct answer is 10.24. Get the units of measurement, which is centimeters. I'm talking about area, so it should be squared, and this is the correct answer. For this one over here, again, let's start with our basic formula. Okay, so the area equals a side squared. So let's rewrite it and plug in what we know. We don't know the area, but we do know a side, and in this case it's 10.5 squared. Now that means 10.5 times 10.5. So that's going to be a real hassle. Let's forget about these guys, make it easy on ourselves, let's not get confused. We'll put in the decimal point a little bit later. So let's multiply this. So 5 times 5 is 25. That's 5 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Forget that guy. We're now up to 0 times 5, 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Ooh, that was easy. We've got those two up to this place. So 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, that was a lot of hassle. Let's figure this out. 5, 2, 10, 1, 1. Okay, so our answer is going to involve these digits, 1, 1, 0, 2, 5. We just need to figure out where to put the decimal point. Now you remember they were here, 1, 2, 10.5, right? 10.5 times 10.5. So 2 decimal places in the question, 2 decimal places in the answer. So the final answer is 110.25 meters squared, because we're talking about area. And that should be the final answer. And on the last one, let's do the same thing. So basic formula, area equals a side squared. So what do we know? Well, we know the side. The side is 8.4 squared. So let's do 8.4 times 8.4. Again, as I keep saying, let's forget about the decimal point for now. We can always put that in at the very end. Let's keep it simple. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 1, that's 33. Finish with that. Finish with him. Okay, 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 3 is 67. Add these guys up, and I'll end up with 6, 5, 10, 7. So I know that the answer is going to involve those digits. So 7, 0, 5, 6. I put my decimal points back in. Remember where they were? There. 1, 2, right? Decimal places in the question. So I've got to have 1, 2, 2 decimal places in the answer, and the answer is 70.56 centimeters. I'm talking area, so it's squared. And that's the answers.